What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kick YouTube channel. We out in Napa. Let's go. Dang, doing it big. What, 50, 60 pairs? Dang. All right, this one is a little bit bigger than Petaluma. Not by much though, not by much. Out in Northern California for the entire day. I'm gonna try to hit as many stores as I can. I think should be able to at least do 4. Yeah, back wall right here. They got some heat items. This is the men's back wall. Oh, it goes to the end right there. Okay. Do got, are these the Christmas Jordan 2s? I believe they are. 140. This is a 10.5. Believe you get the 20%. I'm gonna have to ask them if you get the 20% off. All these red tag, but they are 00. Got these dunks right here. All suede. These are size 8, size 7.5 men's, size 9 women's for those. These are all going for retail. I haven't seen this one. Never seen that one. That's a 6.5 youth, 95. I believe this is the one. Yeah, that's the one with the 3M right there. 135 for those. 135 for these as well. Now 120. And then the Jordan Craft. 210 for these. I got a couple sizes. 210 for these. I am a huge fan of these. I really like these. I do really like these. I just don't got the money for them. I gotta pay for these freaking 4s that are coming out. By this video, you guys will already have seen that I got them, but I don't have them yet. But oh, I didn't notice they have 2 Jumpmans right there. Okay. I did talk to the lady. Yeah, full box. You do get the extra discount to 20% off. All this stuff right here, not bad. I love that you get the full box. I do. I know the resellers love it too, but I just like having full boxes. It's easier to stack in my room and stuff. That's dope. All right, checking out the clearance section. Starting off with the smaller sizes. There's a size 10 right here though. I kind of do like these. Looks like a Shoe Palace colorway. Shoe Palace is usually black and gold. Pretty nice, pretty nice. This is retail though, too much. Do got the graffitis right here. I haven't seen these in forever. LeBron 4 graffitis. I remember when these came out. These came out a while ago, didn't they? 240 for those mother lovers. Got some boots. I need some boots. Court Vision boots. $60. Size 7.5. Metcon 9s. One of my boys like, hey, if you find a Metcon for cheap, hook me up. But yeah, 150 for those. He needs a size 8.5, I believe. 8.5 for 9, I think. Cosmic Unity's going for $50. $50, and then you get that extra 20% off discounts of $40. Not a bad price for those Cosmic Unities. Colors not bad either. They have them in bigger size right here. $50, size 10. I did jump over because I want to see if they have these odd sizes. Dang, dude, that is a hell of a deal. Back to the smaller sizes, size 9 right here. LeBron 20s. $90 for these. That's what, 70 something bucks, 72 something. Blazer suede right here going for 50. 8.5 KDs right here. 130 for these. I don't really remember these coming out, but okay. Some people love the OG KDs, right? KD3s right here. Icon 8 size 7 going for $70. But they don't have his size. This would be perfect. But nope. 9.5. Metcon 8's going for 65. And we're finding every size but his size. Look at this. $60 freaking dollars. Another 20 off. So $48. $48, just hella cheap. Savelios. Oh, they're the Savelios. $25. 25 freaking dollars. Size 7.5. How many size 7.5 people are lifting? That's probably why. These are powerlifting shoes. Another one of these. For $48, that is so worth it. Size 8, especially if they have the blue one. I don't think I've found the blue one my size, have I? Especially for that price. Size 10, we got LeBron 9 lows go for $1.90. These were marked down to $50 at that other Nike outlet Petaluma. As I mentioned numerous times, it's all about how long sneakers have been at that store. It's not about when they released, it's just about how long they've had that product. Eventually the prices go down. Yeah, $1.20 for this. Was this mocha colorway? This was pretty nice. $85 for these. The Delta 3s right here for $60. There's like 18 tags, man. I was trying to figure out which one is the current one. Got another one of these going for so freaking cheap. Cosmic Unities got Zoom Generations right here. Okay. I was seeing if they had the GT cuts for cheap right here, because these are some serious hoop sneakers. $1.80 for those. Miami Dolphins colorway of the Cortez right here, going for 90. Remember seeing these? We just saw these. Oh, those were nylon though. Never mind. So slightly different. 90 for these. These are size 11. Jordan 1 high OG golf right here. Oh, it's not an OG. It's just a G for golf. $1.80 for those. 11 and a half. $1.10 for the Luka 2s. GT Cut 3s. $1.90. I don't think I've seen the GT Cut 3s. So let's take a look at them. Okay. Slight evolution of the 2s. I was making the 3s go for 80. It's the Alpha Next Percent 3s, 270. Big Feet Gang size 13s go for 50. 14 go for 50. 120 for the Air Max 1 Golf right there. Size 14 and 135. I don't see any 15s. And it just goes to 19. That's it for the Jordan 6 Golf. That's retail there. More and more clearance racks that aren't really on clearance. There's probably just more one-of items, but no extra discounts. These situations, you just see if they have anything interesting, to be really honest. Not gonna have huge discounts. $145 for Tech Fleece. No markdowns at all. You got the poofy jackets right here going for $250. Some people get all triggered. It's not poofy, it's poofy. Oh my god, dude. Really? Who gives a F about what I call stuff, you know? Who cares, dude? Some people get wrapped up in the dumbest things. $46 as opposed to $70 for the running shirts right there. Oh, if this was on sale, maybe $1.50. But yeah, no, man, we don't want that Super Bowl, man. That one didn't turn out very good for us. Like, dang it. That's what it is. A lot of you guys talking smack. Y'all teams weren't in the Super Bowl, but y'all still talking smack. $60 for this hoodie right here. It's thin though. It's very thin. Some of y'all team have never even been in the Super Bowl. Some of y'all waited 50 years for Super Bowl, but you know, still talking smack, huh? Still talking smack. $80 for this Jordan. Is this a men's? Yeah, it is a men's. This is a men's large right here. But the Niners blew it. It is what it is. $27.97 for that one. Yeah, just seeing if they have any dope pieces. Not really seeing much. What is this? 35, normally 68. That's a decent price. But these are thin though. The high performance stuff. Pretty thin. I guess I don't want you to sweat to death. 48 for that one right there. Another Tech Fleece. Look at that. 165. Just is no discounts. All right, we are checking out the aisles. Do got a bunch of Air Max 2017s. Been seeing a lot of these lately. I guess new shipments because regular price. These have only dropped to 130, so looks like they got some newer ones. Got some Roshi ones. Remember these? Were you guys a big fan of these? I don't think I ever really liked these. I know people were in love with them. All right, back to the aisle. See if we see anything crazy. Damn, none of these spots have any refurbished stuff. Kind of irritating me. Perennial outlet tenant right here. Do you got the Zoom Freak 5s? I've been seeing these in numerous colorways. Why is this one, that one not together? They're like the same colorway, but they're not together. That's kind of weird. But I do got a bunch of the Witnesses right here. The Witness 7s. We got the Trey 5 9s right here as well, going for various prices. Do get 20% out. Look at this. Cosmic Unities going for $45. And then you get another 20 off. So that's under $40. Are you effing serious? What is that, like $36? $36 freaking dollars. That's crazy. That is crazy. $36. Holy crap. Obviously, the most of you guys out do watch this, not in the Bay Area, but look at this. And then look out in your local outlet, see if it's that cheap. Holy cow. They have plenty of size here. 7 all the way to 13. They got some 2s right there. Got another pair of 3s. This is like a better colorway. A little bit more, but still solid price. That's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen the KD16s, especially since you get another 20% off. That's insane. Wow. Obviously the next one's coming out, but still, wow. Are they already out? Yeah, I was pretty sure they're not out yet. Yeah, the KD17 is coming out, I think, in April. But yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. And they still got these Roshis here as well, down in price. They used to charge $100 for these, really? Got some Blazer mids right here. Airspan 2s we've been seeing. Plenty of those, got a couple colorways. Have all kinds of running shoes. Got Pegasus right here. Kind of the same stuff we've seen a bunch of times. Some Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. $80. You get 20% off. A few different colorways. The women's section just extra bare. Extra bare, dude. That's the kids section. One little rack for the entire kids section. That is crazy. Alright, I was gonna skip the kids too, but do you got this? This is a grade school Nike by you. KD16. They still want the full 190. Holy cow. These Air Forces down to 50. That's not too bad. But just not much heat, to be really honest. Not much. Oh, it's 70 for those. We do got these just like the other outlet that visited in Petaluma. So I guess we're gonna start seeing an influx of these, and you get an extra discount. And got plenty of sizes. Well, the bigger size, 9.5 all the way to size 12 for women's. All men's sizes. Also got these, which were at Petaluma as well. More of the women's aisles, Air Force Ones. Rarely ever see those on discounted. Wow. I just talked to the worker. Every shoe in the women's section, 20% off. That's why. Telling them, I was like, those are never on sale. What the hell? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Because I'm trying to remember. I don't think they had that sale at Petaluma. Okay, got Blazers right here. Got a couple different versions. Blazer mids. Got these right here as well. Air Max Theas. 270s going for way too much. Kind of insane that all the women's shoes are freaking 20% off. Still not much to show you guys. They got a bunch of generic stuff like this. The Legend Essential 2s. Air Max Commandos right there. Correlates. What the hell? They do have grade school stuff in the house. It looks like grade school is also 20% off as well. Yeah, got Jordan MVPs right here. Jordan 1 low grade school. These are Fly E's right here, and then got the Pro Strongs. Yeah, on this side as well. Also got 20% off all the kids stuff. The Air Barrage low right here, going for 50. I don't see too many toddler stuff. Dang it! I was trying to find something as a present for someone. Ooh, look at this! Look at this! That's the cheapest we've seen these in a while. Okay. Got some Woodside 2s right there. I have no clue why someone would want this on their infants. Only because it's laces, man. Laces are paying the butt for super young kids. But apparently I need to get this for somebody. I need to get this for somebody as a present. I guess so. Apparently the MSRP for Forces, $55, because those are all regular price. Oh, they're 20% off. I was looking for the white ones. The white ones, yeah, they're regular price at Petaluma. These are $55 right here. These are $45, and then you get an extra 20 off. So these going to $36. I'm gonna grab these instead of those right there. People I'm getting it for, they're not like huge sneakerheads or anything. All right, so they still do have these on sale, just like Petaluma. Yo, these get 40% off. This item only, the Jordan Flight hoodies, $65 right there. So another 40% off. Jordan Breakfast Club right here. This is $50. That's a hell of a deal for that one. I'm just trying to figure out what I could even wear that with. That brings down to what, $39 or something like that. Got basketball shorts right here. Do you get 20% off. Lowest stickered price, $25. So you get another 20% off of that. Tops only 20% off. So you get 20% off all this stuff right here. $25. $25 for this. Then they got several sizes, XL up to XL. This is $35 for that bougie looking one. That's not bad. $35, and then you get another 20% off So $7 off. This is like $28. They do have multiple sizes up to XL. Not bad, not bad, you guys. Starting to get rid of their winter gear because winter's starting to wind down. $35 for these. No extra discounts. Not really too many other discounts, to be honest. Got polos right there. Graphic tees always on sale. 2 for $25. Got these right here. These are polos. Oh, okay, so these polos right here, 50% off. Normally 45 down to 35, and then 35. $17.50 is the total price. Yeah, $17.50 for polos right here. Not bad, not bad. I don't really do Nike polos like that though. All right, I guess I'll go pay for these tiny little things. All right, I'm out, dude. I'm out. All right, I'm not even taking a bag, dude. But yeah, $36. Did get these bad boys. Right next door, there's an Adidas outlet that I probably should stop by, but I gotta go, dude. I gotta go. I'm on a tight schedule. Got 2 more outlets and then got a little work thing to do.